Hello mga wang, is craving time. Actually, kumain na kami kanina pero nagki-craves kami. It is snack time again and fried chicken,
Chicken.
spaghetti,
How about rice lang?
and burger mga wang.
Ah,
Let's eat. Kaya na din kayo mga wangs. It is fried chicken.
Sausawan.
That's a part of that. Thank you.
Alright.